Nako. Ito naman, binili niya na naman yan. Kasi nga, ito daw yung sa H2 Perfection. Kung ako lang talaga, okay na sa akin yung NFA na bigay ni Tonton Liwag. This is the another rice from Laikila Majestic, India, right?
Yes.
That my husband like this basmati rice. Extra long grain basmati rice. And this is the other one, the Awat Select basmati rice. So everybody, you can eat basmati rice like my husband.
It's outstanding.
This is the rice from Lazada that my husband bought it. Long grain basmati rice. Delicious. Aging rice? What?
Yeah.
Oh.
Aged like me.
Aged
to perfection.
Ah, so that's why
It's like me, huh?
it's good for the
I don't know.
for the old person.
No, it's saturated.